How to fix Discord video issues. Can't get your camera to work on Discord? Here's how to fix video issues fast. First, go to User Settings, then tap on Voice and Video and scroll down to the Video Settings section. Click Test Video to see if your camera activates. If not, make sure your correct webcam is selected. Still not working? Close other apps using your webcam like Zoom or OBS since they might be blocking it. If you are on a browser, allow camera permissions when prompted or go to Site Settings and manually enable camera access. If you have antivirus or privacy tools, they might block Discord camera settings. Check those settings too. Did this help bring your video back? Comment below if you had to dig deeper. With the right settings and permissions, your webcam will be back in action in no time. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.